Looking for the perfect fall treat? Today, we're making the easiest homemade pumpkin monkey bread with a seasonal twist. It's the ultimate dessert for your holiday table. To begin, grab a mixing bowl and whisk together 1¼ cups of warm whole milk, 2¼ teaspoons of yeast, and 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. Then, mix in 2 eggs, half a cup of melted butter, and a pinch of salt. Next, using a spatula, gradually mix in 4½ cups of flour. Keep stirring and folding the mixture until a soft dough begins to form. Transfer to a floured surface and knead for 3 to 5 minutes until you have a smooth ball. Cover it and let it sit in a warm spot for about an hour until it doubles in size. Now, break the dough into about 25 small balls. Prepare 2 bowls, one with a mix of melted butter, canned pumpkin, and vanilla, and the other with coconut sugar and cinnamon. Coat each ball first in the pumpkin mixture, then the cinnamon sugar. Arrange them in a buttered 9x9 baking dish and bake at 350 degrees for 35 minutes until golden brown. Once baked, let it cool for 10 minutes before flipping it onto a serving platter. The caramelization and pumpkin aroma are absolutely incredible. To finish it off, grab a few warm pieces and enjoy them with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's bittersweet to see the season end, but this recipe makes it all worth it. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes.